Okay, 5.3, we're going to print a document. So first step, let's create that 5.3 document. 5.2, we didn't do any copy and pasting of text, but in 5.3 we're back to that. Okay, untitled document, 5-3, and I click OK. I'm going to go back to my MPC page to copy and paste text. One of our shorter blocks of text. I left click, select, right click, and left click, copy. Okay, and then we're back to our document. Following the directions, I right click and paste this in. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, select the first line, and we're going to apply this title style. We're going to select the third block of text, which is print in Chrome, and we're going to put this, make this subtitle. Select the next 5 lines and make them a numbered list. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to click and drag to select them. I'm going to come up here and make them a numbered list. Under OK, print in Chrome, print in Firefox or Safari, I'm going to select these and make these a subtitle. And then select the last 7 lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aha! So there are 8 lines actually, so we're going to skip, as these are just directions, this sentence right here. So we're going to select the last 7 lines, and we are going to make them a numbered list. Okay, so I've got my document that I've formatted, so minor formatting, and I'm going to click the print toolbar button. Okay, total 1 sheet of paper. Print. Now, this is an online class, so we won't be printing or turning it in that way. We're going to be taking a screen capture. Notice the destination, that's the printer that you would be printing it on. The pages. Do you want to print all the pages? In this case, there's only 1 page. But you can select different pages. Copies, if you want more than 1 copy, plus or minus. Margins, you can change your margins here, and there's other options that you can do. Okay, so what I want to do here, I'm going to take a screen capture. So I'm going to hit print screen on my keyboard. And we're not going to print this. I'm going to click cancel. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my document. And I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut Control+V. And we have done our screen capture. Now let me show you while I'm here. I'm going to wrap this text, make it easier to move around, and I'm going to right click this image, and I'm going to go to crop image so you can get a better look at it. The print dialog box for the key. This will make more sense. Okay. And then using my image controls, and I'm going to bring it down underneath all the text. A little bit of difficulty here. Well, here's a little strategy. When the text, I'm going to insert a page break. I go to the insert menu and I actually put another page on there. And see if I can just move it down to this next page. Okay. I inserted a second page. Okay, I showed you how to crop by right clicking. You can crop image, you can do all, as always in your right click menu you have a bunch of different options. Okay, so I've right clicked and So this is what it should look like. You should have a screen capture underneath this document. You should have a screen capture of what your print dialog actually looks like. This is the important part right here. Okay. Now, note, depending on your browser, your screen capture can look very different. The key is based on a Windows 8 computer in a Chrome browser. And other browsers will have to download the document in PDF format and then print that document. So your screen capture can look very different. And actually, say like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Apple Safari, you would actually have to download the document in PDF and print from your computer that way. The advantage of using Microsoft Chrome Google Chrome, with Documents and Drive is that it's all integrated and you can print straight from the browser. Okay, that's 5.3.